Hello everyone. So we are going to continue our series of revision through PYQ. So now we are doing geography questions. We did 15 questions. Now we will start from 16 question number. Okay. So see here, the question is asking about the map question. You know, they are given a map and they are asking some information regarding that. So in 1997, this kind of question has been asked. But if we see today's scenario, so rarely I will say from 10 years, this kind of questions has never seen. Let's see. Consider the giving map below. Next is of the four shaded areas in the map, which is characterized by hot, dry summer, mild and moist winter, and seasonal reversal winds. So they are asking these are the areas where you will find hot and dry summer, okay, mild and moist winter, and seasonal reversal of wind. So you will find in monsoonal areas there is seasonal reversal of winds, okay. So there is option A, B, C, D. No? So here we will find in option 1 uh, they have hot, dry summers, mild and moist winter in South California of USA. Okay. If we see this area, so now just guess it. Here this is the equatorial region, है ना? Then this is the Tropic of Cancer. This is the Tropic of Capricorn. So this is very like in southern area. It will have a very hard winter season and the weather will be very cold. Okay, but this is more near the Tropic of Capricorn. This area, so it will have a dry summer and mild and moist winter. If we talk about the another area of this, sorry, this is asking about four areas also. Okay, so we can guess it, है ना? In UPSC most of questions we have to guess. Okay, next question is asking about consider the following statements regarding asteroids. So let's see, we have discussed asteroids in previous questions also. Again the questions regarding asteroid has been asked. So see, asteroids are rocky debris of varying size obtaining the sun. Most of the asteroids are small, but some have diameter as large as 1000 kilometer. The orbit of asteroid lies between the Jupiter and Saturn. So the orbit of the asteroids lie between Jupiter and Mars, not in Saturn. So third is wrong. You know, if we just do the elimination technique, 1 and 2 will be the correct. So as it has been given also, asteroids are rocky debris. Okay, they are the rocky debris, varying size obtaining the sun. It's not like every and each debris is having equal size. They are different in size. Some just let this is the sun, okay, and this is the Jupiter. This is the Mars. You will find here the asteroids, small debris, है ना? So this area will call asteroid belt. Next question is asking about match the river labeled A, B, C. This is, I will say, we should not do this question. There is no probability to ask this kind of question now. Next is the correct sequence of different layer of the atmosphere from the surface of Earth upward is. So they are asking about atmospheric layers. If this is the total atmosphere, not total atmosphere, there are many layers like troposphere, है ना? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, thermosphere, exosphere इस type से. Okay, so in previous questions we have also talked about this. So again this the same topic question has been asked about that. Okay, so what they want, like from Earth to the other upper atmosphere. So सबसे पहले क्या होगा यहाँ पे troposphere, then strato, then meso, and then ionosphere, है ना? तो C will be the correct answer of 19 question. ठीक है. If we talk about the distance, so troposphere will be around 8 kilometer. in we can say equatorial region or in height, but 18 kilometer in some regions which are very which are low in height. Okay. Then if we talk about the stratosphere, it will be 80 kilometer. I know. So if we talk about the other spheres like ionosphere, this will be 400 kilometer. So by this we can divide the distance from the earth also. Okay. Next question is asking about question number 20. Estuaries possess distinct bloom of excessive growth of pigments dinoflagellus. These blooms are called. This is very important question, I will say. Estuaries. Do you know about the estuaries? When rivers having very less slope, when they just meet to the sea, ocean, what they do? They divide themselves in many rivers, small rivers. You know. So this will just have a triangle type of shape. This will call estuary. Okay. So they are asking estuaries possess distinct bloom of excessive growth of pigment dinoflagellus. This kind of pigment make the color of the sea red. Okay. Due to this pigment, they harm marine environment also. And if the tide comes, the color will be red. That's why this is called red tide. Okay. So firstly, we should know what is the estuary. Then what are the tides? In the NCERT Geography 11th class, you will find this kind of topics. Okay. The next question is consider the following climate condition northern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, we will have to consider the following climatic conditions. If we talk about northern hemisphere, so this is the dividing line. Upper that will be northern, below that will be southern. Okay. So they are giving the temperature of the months, then the rainfall, like in each month you will find some kind of rainfall. It will not be very high amount of rainfall, but the highest will be 17. Okay. Temperature highest will be 27 degrees celsius, and the lowest temperature is 3.9 degrees celsius. Okay. They are asking which kind of climatic region is this: China type, equatorial type, hot desert type, monsoon type. So we should have the ability to eliminate. If we have informations, then it will be easier for us. If you talk about equatorial type, so here you will find around 20 to 30 degrees Celsius in all year, है ना. यहाँ पे चीज़ें temperature will be stable. It will not have so much variations. So equatorial will not be here because the temperature is 27. This temperature of this region will be more than 27 degrees Celsius. If we talk about monsoon type, so India comes also in monsoon type climate. What we see in our area summer, more than 40 degrees Celsius temperature will exceed. If we talk here, so this is 27. So this will also not, monsoon will also not be here. If we talk about hot desert type, so here temperature will be 40 to 50 degrees Celsius in summer. But here 27.8, it will also not be there. So only China type climate is our option. Okay. So by this we can do this question if we have a bare minimum information about that. Next question is match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. Okay. So they have asked some kind of informations. I will directly tell you. This question has been asked in 1998. Pluto was also considered as the uh, a planet on that time. Okay, I will tell you the answer. So question number 22 talks about the smallest planet of the solar system on that time was Pluto. Okay, now it is a Budh, है ना? And the largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. The planet second from the sun in the solar system is Venus. Planet nearest to the sun is Mercury. ठीक है. So this is the answer. Next question is physical region marked as 1, 2, 3, 4 है ना, on the given map are respectively give the name of these regions. They're asking about this. Okay. First is Just let if we know one or two regions, then you can also be able to answer these questions. First is they are giving Andes to yes. This is the Andes. Andes is given to this will be this will not be answered because uh, in first Andes should be there. So this is the Andes here. A second, this is the Brazil region, है ना? So here it is given Guyana. It will not be answer. Here this is Brazil still. Three is Guyana Highland. Four is Amazon. Yes, this is true. This will be the answer. Okay. So this question number 23 A will be the answer. Next question. Question number 24. Which one of the following type of coal contains a higher percentage of carbon than the rest? As we know, there is mainly four type of coal based on their carbon content and humidity. So the anthracite, है ना, this will have around 85 to 98% coal quantity, है ना. Then bituminous around 70 to 85. Then lignite uh, more than 40 to 75. Peat less than 40. So peat will have very bad, or it will have too much uh, smog, है ना. And anthracite will have around negligible smoke, ठीक है. Next question is, which one of the following scholars suggests the Earth's origin from gases and dust particles? This is a factual question, so we cannot guess here. So the answer will be D. O. Smiths. So O. Smiths in 1947 gave interstellar dust hypothesis for the origin of the Earth and solar system. Okay. Then question number 26. In the given map, which one of the following pair of ocean current are shown? This is also a factual question when we will just read about the current oceanic currents chapter in our NCERT. It has also been given. Then we will find here you will find a very cold current. From here you will find a warm current is going. So the name of uh, and the given map, which one of the following pair of ocean current are shown? They are asking about this current, है ना? We will tell you about this. So this Venezuela and Guyana, from here it is a Venezuela current going, and from here this is the Guyana current coming. Okay, this is a factual question, so there is no need to explain and just eliminate, है ना. Next question is, which one of the following area marked as A, B, C, D in the given figure of the cyclone witnessed heavy torrential short duration rainfall accompanied by thunderstorm? They're asking about short duration rainfall area. So if this is the eye of the cyclone here, and here cumulonimbus cloud will form, it will be rainfall here. So the B region will just have mostly rainfall. Okay, so B will be the correct answer. Here we just know what is the formation of cyclone, है ना. There is two type of cyclone: temperate, tropical. For tropical, we should our ocean should have more than 70 degrees Celsius of the temperature, and they should have the Coriolis force, and evaporation should happen, है ना. तो ये सब चीज़ें, that kind of things are important for making cyclone. This kind of cyclone has ice, है ना, but temperate cyclone don't have ice. This happened due to low pressure area. This happened due to high pressure, है ना. So that is the difference. The question regarding eye of the cyclone has came in the previous questions also. Okay, so be conscious about this kind of information. It could be asked in your examination. The next question 28 asking about, they are giving month, temperature, rainfall, asking about the climate to which this data pertain is. January, February, they are giving the temperature. So the highest temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, the lowest is 6.7 degrees Celsius. They are asking the region. So as we have seen Chinese type temperature, mostly they were 20 around 24 degrees Celsius है ना, and 3 degrees Celsius ऐसे कुछ था है ना. So this will not be China type, cut it. And just think like we don't know about Mediterranean type, Laurential type, West European type. So you should just read about these kind of things. Like in Mediterranean type climate, they will have citrus food, and orchard farming is very prevalent in those areas. And they are having a winter, like in all around the year they are having rainfall in that region, है ना, Mediterranean region. So the answer of this question will be West European type. Okay. So the given data shows the climatic condition of Mediterranean. Sorry if I'm lacking. Okay. So this will be the West European type of climate. Next question is talking about at which one of the following position shown in the diagram will the highest of the ocean tide be maximum. So as we know, tide comes two times in a day, mainly high tide and low tide. Okay, there are many Sijgis, aphelion, perihelion, this kind of situation when tide occur. So if there is right angle, this is the moon, this is the sun, right angle, so the force of tide will be lower because these are not having the combination of their forces. But if moon will be here, sun will be here, earth will be here, then the force will just take place in the single direction. This will have the maximum amount of pressure on the water. So they are asking about at which one of the following positions shown in the diagram will the highest of the ocean tide be maximum. So maximum will be when this will be m4, you know. D will be the question answer. The last question of today will be match the list 1 and 2. This is like factual type of questions. So we will just match cedar from the Canada, timber, this is the timber and this is the countries, and Douglas fir will be from the Mexico, mahogany will be from the Honduras, teak will from Myanmar. So the answer will be C. Okay. By this we have completed our 15 questions of today. So thank you so much. Jai Hind.